Hello, welcome to my lessons. Today I want to teach you a very simple thing I learned when I was beginning to teach myself how to play music, that is the piano. This idea, I don't know who taught me, I can't remember, but it took me from this level of playing just the 1, 4, 5, sounding so vanilla. So, and the trick is eliminating the left hand to follow what the right hand is playing. You know, that's how we are taught most of the time, that if you are playing a C, you have to play the note of C on your left hand. So that one makes it a bit more vanilla, more basic. So this trick is using now the scale in its ascending form, and descending form. So on a C, you play the C. Then on B, you play G. We are just using the 3 chords, the C, G, F, back to C. So C with a C, B with a G, A with a C, G with a G, F with F, E with C, D with F. Maybe we can finish with G, so that we are able to resolve to C. So it will sound but now something else you need to learn is how to play your inversions. So if it is a C, you can't just be playing a C in its root position, F root position. No, that jumping on the piano is not recommended. You have to make sure you're moving a minimal distance from one chord to the other. Like if this is a C, the next chord I'm moving should not be far away. I should not jump like this. No, that one is not recommended. So I have to know how to play my C in various inversion. Same with F. Same with G. That way I'll be able to, like now, the entire progression that we were playing, I should be able to play it like C, G, C, G, F, C, F, G, C. So C, G, C, G, F, C, F, G, C. I hope you have understood that. So, or like C, G, C, G, F, C, F, G, C. Like that. Now you can use that you can apply that in your various songs. Like I used to play this song like this. Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. Like it was very funny. I can't even remember how I was playing it, but when I learned this, I was able to I was able to apply it to that song, and it now sounded more fuller, and the chords were leading to each other nicely. So above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man, you were here before the world began. You see, above. And something else you can do is on these major chords, you can add at particular times you can add the 9, this note in between the first two notes of the triad. On G, this one. On F, this one. So above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man, you were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders, the word of heaven knows, above all wealth and treasures of the earth, there is no way to measure what you're worth. See, now I'm beginning to apply this. So that's how you can change your basic 1, 4, 5 chords into sounding more fuller. And on your left hand, you can now be playing in octaves. Octaves, when I say octaves, I mean a 1, a 5, and a repetition of 1. Okay, for beginners, what I've done there, how I've finished my playing, it is just picking this chord. This is a C chord, and breaking it, playing it broken. I pick it again, like that. A C, a C, a C, C, to the end of the piano. So I just play it one note, then I finish with the chord. That is as simple as that. Bye. Let's meet for the other lesson.